Want to watch YouTube videos without an internet connection? Here's how to download YouTube video directly to your Android phone and watch them later, even when you're offline. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Now find and open the video you want to download. Once the video opens, look below the video for the download button. If you don't see it immediately, tap the three dots below the video. Then tap Download. Depending on the video and your account, YouTube may ask you to choose a download quality. Select the quality you prefer and the video will begin downloading. Keep in mind that downloading videos for offline viewing may require YouTube Premium, depending on your location and the video. Once the download is complete, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap Downloads. Here, you'll find all the YouTube videos you've downloaded for offline viewing. Simply tap any video to start watching it without an internet connection. If this tutorial helped you download a YouTube video on your Android phone, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials that help you solve everyday problems quickly. And that's it. You can now download supported YouTube videos and watch them later, even when you're offline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.